Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to replace transfer case fluid. First, we're going to crack open this drain plug. Don't remove it quite yet. You're going to want to position your drain pan. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and remove that plug. Check your vehicle's owner's manual to determine exactly what fluid you need for your vehicle. Once the fluid has stopped flowing and is just a light drip, go ahead and put your plug back in. So now we're going to remove the fill plug. So we're going to take this hose from our transfer pump, go up over that cross member and stick it right into the hole. You want to clear the threads. We've got the pickup tube all the way at the bottom of our bottle, and then we're just gonna run this pump. We're gonna pump this fluid into the transfer case until fluid begins to come out of the fill hole. Now we're gonna take the filler plug and thread her on in, and then tighten it up with your wrench. Wipe up any mess, and that's all there is to changing your transfer case fluid. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.